In today's digital landscape, security stands as a cornerstone of enterprise software. Organizations rely on these systems to manage sensitive data, facilitate operations, and support critical business functions. Without robust protection, companies face significant risks, including data breaches, financial loss, and damage to their reputation. As threats continue to evolve, maintaining strong security measures is essential to safeguard assets and ensure business continuity. This makes investing in comprehensive security solutions not just a technical necessity, but a strategic imperative for every enterprise. Building secure software systems requires a comprehensive approach that addresses multiple aspects of development and maintenance. Secure coding practices help prevent common vulnerabilities by ensuring that code is written with security in mind from the start. Robust authentication mechanisms are essential for verifying user identities and protecting sensitive information. Regular vulnerability assessments play a crucial role in identifying and addressing potential weaknesses before they can be exploited. By integrating these best practices throughout the software lifecycle, organizations can significantly enhance the security and reliability of their systems. Protecting sensitive data is a critical responsibility for organizations across all industries. Effective strategies include implementing robust encryption methods, enforcing strict access controls, and regularly monitoring systems for suspicious activity. Compliance with industry standards and regulations, such as GDPR or HIPAA, requires ongoing employee training and thorough documentation of data handling procedures. Regular audits and risk assessments help identify vulnerabilities and ensure that security measures remain up to date. By combining these approaches, organizations can significantly reduce the risk of data breaches and maintain trust with clients and stakeholders. Maintaining security in enterprise environments is not a one-time effort, but an ongoing commitment. As technology evolves and new threats emerge, organizations must continuously adapt their strategies and invest in robust security measures. Regular training, vigilant monitoring, and timely updates are essential to safeguard sensitive data and ensure operational resilience. By fostering a culture of security awareness and collaboration, enterprises can better protect themselves against potential risks. Ultimately, sustained dedication to security is crucial for long-term success and trust in today's digital landscape.